Alright guys, what you can do for the neck is, pwede siya turuan yung 3 fingertips nyo, lalagay sa likod. So you're gonna push in and you're gonna pull out. Tapos you're gonna move your head back and forth. Mabilis lang yan, mga 5 to 10 seconds. Tapos, bababa siya ng column and then you're gonna pull out as you push in. Same thing, hanggang sa makaabot kayo sa traps. Pag makaabot sa traps, same thing. Right? Mabilis siya. I call this my red light maneuver. Kasi red light, kasi ginagawa ko ito pag nagmamaneho ako eh. Gawin na siya kabilis. So they can do manual therapy for themselves. Another thing you can teach your patient is this. Put your arms out. It's like someone's pulling it down, no? So make sure na hatakin nyo yan para sa kanila in the beginning. Ito yung feeling na nag-attack. So kung gagawin nyo on your own, nakaganyan kayo, you stretch your neck. 1, 2, 3, 15. And then habang nandito kayo, titingala. 1, 2, 3, 15. 15 to 20 seconds, right? And you're going to bring it down. 15 to 20 seconds. Same thing, right? And then you're going to do it on the other side, right? And look up and look down. So about 2 or 3 reps of that. So those are the stuff that you could do for the neck. Also, kung may trampoline kayo, you could do your balance trampoline, one leg stance, nagbabounce sa trampoline, or lagyan mo siya ng balance board, yung wiggle board o wobble board. Pabounce mo siya doon, or dalawang paa, or nagbabalance siya. Kasi it's good for the neck. It's good for the proper reception of the neck. Kung wala kayong trampoline, you might want to get some kung gusto nyo gawin yan. Alright?